Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tim Lauer with R&R Truck Centers out of Youngstown, Ohio. We're looking at a 2020 Isuzu Gas HD, the 14,500 GVWR. So your payload is roughly 6,000 pounds. It's equipped with a Morgan 16-foot drive-in body. It's 85 inches high, 96 inches wide, and 16 foot long. Since it does have a studded front wall, you're roughly about 15 feet 10 inches to the front wall, so it's not exactly 16 foot on the inside. It's also equipped with 12-foot runner ramp. This comes from Isuzu body program. It's also equipped with the step bumper on the back. It's referred to as a step pooch stump bumper. I was really surprised. 12 foot really isn't bad as far as the load angle. I've been walked up and down it several times. It really is not that bad. So the 19.5 inch tires, obviously it adds about an inch of height, but I was kindly surprised that it's not that steep of an angle constantly, if you're going up and down. It's equipped with a standard roll-up door. Inside the box, it has 2 rows of E-track, recessed at 48 inch on center and 24 inches on center. Solid roof with a single LED light. LED light is actually activated from on the left side of the steering column. So there's a push button that comes from the factory when you build it. Standard hardwood floor. So this is very similar to what we run in our parts department every day. If you're back and forth as far as deciding from a gas truck versus diesel, a lot of it has to do with the mileage that you run. Personally, we started running more of the gas trucks just because we don't have to deal with any regen issues, DEF fluid. We don't have to deal with drivers putting DEF fluid in the fuel tank or vice versa. We've seen it all. The nice thing about gas, you tell them to go to the gas station and fill it up with gas. That has eliminated a lot of customer problems that I've sold to that were running DEF fluid trucks. And unfortunately, it is a continuous problem when you constantly change drivers. And so if you go with a gas truck, it just makes it more simple. This is also spec'd with the upgraded tweed seat covers, which is one of my favorites. This is about $225 upgrade. It is worth every dime. The driver's seat on the standard fabric that comes from the factory, it'll tend to rip from guys coming in and out of in and out of the truck constantly all day long. The seat covers obviously protect it because it's a heavy-duty tweed fabric. We put it in all our parts trucks also, but for the money, I don't get too excited about seat covers, but for the money, it's money well spent, and you'll appreciate it for the life of the vehicle. So this is a 2-man bench seat, and then automatic air conditioning, AM/FM CD, Bluetooth, tilt steering wheel. It's telescopic basically, so you can bring it up, put it down. As far as the motor, it is a 297 horsepower GM motor. It's going to be referred to as Spartan motors, but it's a GM powertrain. So 297 horsepower and has GM transmission, GM 6-speed transmission. Well, thank you very much. If you have any questions on this vehicle, this is brand new 2020 model that we just received not too long ago. It showed up about 2 weeks ago. So thank you very much for watching my video. Tim Lauer from Youngstown, Ohio, R&R Truck Centers. Thank you.